Hi everybody, this is Sebastian at Gog's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at the 166 FPS Jayco Jay Feather Micro. Now, one unique thing about this is it is around 16 feet. It does come with an outside kitchen and a griddle, which will hook into right there. Here you have your cable satellite input right next to the outlet and the TV mount, which is really nice because that's going to be right under the awning. It is a power awning. Here you have this little Nerf bar in the front. You got your propane tanks, your automatic tongue jack. You have the storage, and then you have your water heater. It does have a slide out. You have your outside shower, your 30 amp connection, your city water connection, your black and gray tanks underneath there. You have manual jacks on this one. You have a very nice spare tire, a ladder that goes up. You have your furnace here on the back. And let's head inside. So as we enter here, you're going to notice we have our pantry right next to the fridge. Now this is a 12-volt fridge, which offers a very good amount of space and storage in here. A lot more than the old gas electric fridges and freezers would. Lots of room. Here you have your pantry. Very, very deep. Nice amount of space. You do have a bathroom with a sink, toilet, and shower. So you're not compromising when you get something this small. With a medicine cabinet, mind you. Now, one unique thing about this is it does come solar prepared, ready, hooked up. Instead of having a dinette on the slide, they actually put a couch with TV trays. I like this idea a lot just because you need a place to relax. And I feel like the dining room setup isn't always the best for relaxing, especially when you're going down this small. You don't want to spend your rainy days laying down in bed. You want to be able to kick back, relax, watch the TV. It's a very nice TV. You have yourself a queen bed with underneath storage. You got above the head storage as well on here, and as well over the couch. So despite going down to something this small, you're not giving up a whole lot. Next to the couch, you have outlets and USB hookup. So this way, you're able to charge with or without a block. You do have a nice sink here. It is not very deep, but you do get storage underneath and a nice huge drawer. Check that out. So they really think about those pots, the pans, anything you really might need in this 16-foot camper. It pretty much has your microwave, storage up above. The TV does come out, which is nice if you got to get access to the cords. And then two drawers underneath as well. Ultimately, when you're going down to something this size, you got to make sure that it has everything you need. And this one absolutely does. It comes in full length at 19 feet, 7 inches with hitch, unloaded vehicle weight of 4,000 pounds. It really is the perfect camper. Even if you have someone staying with you, you do have a curtain here for a little bit of privacy, which is really nice. This couch does fold down into a sleeper as well. You do have a table behind it. So let's say you set up your griddle outside, you have the fridge going, you're able to take this table out there, have yourselves a good old time, and it has a place to go. Granted, yes, behind the couch, but it is still a place for it to go. It does come with it, which is really nice. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but on those TV trays, it does have cup holders. If you guys have any questions at all regarding this camper, my name is Sebastian here at Gog's Camperway. This is the 166 FBS Jayco Jay Feather Micro. Feel free to give us a call, 507-345-5858. Hope you guys give us a call and like what you see here.